Hello friends, welcome to Lakshmi Education. Here in this video I am going to tell you where to use a and an. Okay, so before trying to know where to use them, let's try to understand the meaning. Okay, so meaning is very simple. The meaning of a and an is nothing but one. Okay, so let's write down that first. The meaning of a is what? Is one, and meaning of an is what? Is also one. Okay, is also one. Now let's try to understand with this example. Okay, where to use a and where to use an. So suppose I take one example. I eat one banana. And let's take another second example. Let's take corresponding example now. I eat one apple. Okay, I eat one apple. Now what we do here is we use a and an instead of one. Okay, but the question is where to use them. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to watch the first letter of this word. Okay, so the first letter, if it is consonant, okay, if the first letter is consonant, you are going to use a instead of one. Okay, so the sentence will be, the same sentence will be, I eat a banana. Okay, and if the first letter of this word is vowel, okay, here a is vowel, a, e, I, o, u, all these are vowels. So if it is a vowel, the first letter is vowel, you are going to use an over here instead of one. So how the sentence will be? I eat an apple. Okay, so this is the way of writing or way of using a and an. Okay, so I hope you understood how to use, way to use a and an. One more point here I would like to highlight. Many of the students read such sentences like normally what we read a as, if it is separately, okay, then we read it as a, but if it is in sentence, then we have to not read it as I eat a banana. You have to read this letter a as I eat a banana. Okay, so this was the thing which I wanted to share with you. Yes, so I hope you understood where to use a and an. If you have understood, if you like this video, then please give me like, share this video with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. We'll meet very soon in the next video. Till that, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Master. Thank you.